see what you got.
This is my toy.
What is it?
No.
You should open it up.
I know this is a backpack. This is a backpack. This is my backpack.
Is it your very first backpack?
Yeah. I have to. I'm gonna put it on.
Okay.
Well, why don't you look in the backpack and see if there's anything in there?
Is there anything in the backpack?
Yeah. Ah, books. Whoa.
Whoa, what are those?
I know.
Do you want to put your backpack on?
Yeah.
Okay. What are animal hands?
They're like temporary tattoos you put on your hands.
Okay, turn around. Put this arm in. Cool.
Turn around. Turn around.
Cheese.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Spin. Very cute.
Cool.
Do you like your backpack?
Yeah, I like my backpack.
Say thank you, Morgan and Sarah.
Thank you, Morgan. So,
Say I love my backpack.
I like my backpack.